let's study a bit about flow. So what is flow? Flow is basically the volume of water that is passing through a area per unit time, right? So that is the simplest definition of flow. Now to define flow, we have various units that are there. For example, the meter cube per second, the liter per second, the meter cube per hour, the feet cube per second, the mgd, gpm, and so on. But what happens is there is a problem about which unit shall we use for our calculation purposes. So as per the rules of science, we can use this meter cube per second unit, but even the most countries which are using the metric system don't use this unit. The simple reason is because whenever we are calculating the flows in meter cube per second, the quantity will be very large, but our general flow will come in terms of 0.001 meter cube per second and so on. So it becomes a bit clumsy. Therefore, in general practices, we can use this liter per second concept, or sometimes in Indian context we also use the mld concept. So that is the easiest way to represent the flow.